welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely DIY. It's an oil massage for your face. It's amazing, smells amazing, and do wonders to your skin. And also, you can use it for any skin type. Whatever you are, dry, oily, combination, normal, it's so lovely and amazing, and I love it so much. So I wanted to share this DIY with you. I really hope you like it, and let's start it. To start this project, what we're gonna need is a bottle like this with a dropper, anyone that you have, and of course argan oil. I have just a small amount, but it will be enough, and jojoba oil. Also have a small amount. I have it in a bumper like this to help me to use it, and coconut oil. I also have it in this jar, and vitamin E capsules or oil, and of course a small funnel and a scissor help me to empty the vitamin E. So first thing, I will begin with my clean dropper or my clean bottle and have the funnel. Alright, that will help me to add the oils nicely inside because I have a small opening. And first thing, I'm gonna add my argan oil. Of course, because I don't have enough, I will just add all what we have. But actually, I'm gonna have, basically, I will have like 1/3 of the bottle argan oil. As you can see, it's not enough, but it's enough for this project anyway. So for the jojoba oil, I'm gonna add the same amount as argan oil. So I have 1/3 argan oil, 1/3 jojoba oil. And lastly, and then I'm gonna add some coconut oil. It's kind of cold right now, so I just make it liquidy but begin to be like solid again, so that's why it looks so white. But actually I'm adding it like this. With the dropper it will be easier and safer. As you can see, this is my complexion. It's really nice. And lastly, I'm gonna add like 3, 4, maybe 5. I ended up adding 5 capsules of vitamin E. There is no like right measurement for this DIY, just add whatever you want, but all the ingredients is so important, and this complexion is so amazing for your skin. I love it. Now I finished everything. I just added the last one, so I ended up added 5 capsules of vitamin E. And after I finish everything, make sure that all the stuff is just enough. I'm trying to take the vitamin E because it's really heavy oil, so I add a little bit of jojoba oil. Maybe it will help me to take it inside the bottle. Anyway, it was really hard to do that, but anyway, this is my DIY. And after I do that, I'm gonna close the lid, and before using, I'm gonna like shake everything to mix all the oils together. Especially in cold weather, the coconut oil will be not solid, but it will just go to the bottom. So every time I use it in a cold weather, I'm gonna shake it to make sure like all the oils are mixed together. And now I'm gonna show you how it looks on my hands. Of course, I'm not gonna use it on my hands. You can, of course, if you want to, but this is mainly a massage oil. Apply it to your skin. You can apply it to do like a nice and soft massage to your face, or you can apply it before bed. It do wonders. So let's talk about the ingredients that we used in this video and its benefit for your skin. So the first thing is the argan oil, and argan oil is so amazing because it has an antioxidant, help against sun damage and prevent burns and hyperpigmentations. So it really helps to remove any burns in your skin if you have any, and any discoloration. It also moisturizes your skin really deeply because it has vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble antioxidant. Really helps to improve the water retention in your skin. That's why it moisturizes your skin so deeply. It helps in treatments in some skin conditions like inflammations, infections, and rosacea. It also helps in acne treatment because it has anti-sebum effect. especially the hormonal acne, so it really helps to remove or to treat the hormonal acne specifically. Also has anti-aging effect, so it helps increasing the skin elasticity. For jojoba oil, it really hydrates and moisturizes your skin as it attracts water to the top layer of your skin. It has antibacterial, antioxidant with vitamin E, so it really helps to prevent burns and hyperpigmentations as well. It helps controlling sebum production in skin, so it helps to prevent acne formation, especially for oily skin. It really helps in acne treatment and it has anti-inflammation or anti-inflammatory agents. Can help in reduce fine lines and wrinkle and increase elasticity just like argan oil, so it really has an anti-aging effect. For the coconut oil, it really helps in skin hydration and retention of the moisture in your skin. It also has anti-aging effect as improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. It also has antioxidant agents which clears your skin from environmental toxins. It really helps in soothing your skin if you have any irritations or any sensitivity. It adds an amazing smell to the complexion as the argan oil and jojoba oil doesn't have a really good smell actually, or maybe have no smell at all, but my jojoba oil has a little bit of scent in it, so coconut oil really helps to improve the smell and make you feel fresh and pretty. Who doesn't love coconut smell, right? Vitamin E. We use vitamin E capsules, which has a vitamin E oils, which has antioxidant effect, anti-inflammatory effect, and also it reduces the appearance of scars, which is amazing if you have any on your face. It reduces and helps in treatments of fine lines and wrinkles, so it has anti-aging effect. It helps in reduce some burns, itching, or irritation in your skin if you have any. Really smooth and moisturized dry skin, especially in wintertime. So these are the benefits of the stuff or the ingredients that we use in this oil. This oil is really nice for all skin types, and actually from 1 or 2 uses you will feel a lot of improvement, especially if you have really dry skin or in wintertime, which we all have a dry skin in winter. And this is the video. I really hope you like it. I really hope you like this oil. And if you try it, please let me know in the comment section down below if you tried it and if you like it or not. What your suggestions for another DIYs. If you want me to do another DIYs like this, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to do the videos that you want. And yeah, this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it like I did, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Love you. Bye.